welcome back to my YouTube channel. It has been long I actually made use of this intro. Wow. As you can see from the title of this video, this is like an unboxing video. So I'm just going to be showing you all what I got from the market, and these products I actually got are for my business, so they're not actually for my personal use. So if you don't know, I have a business page both on YouTube, I have a business page on TikTok, I have a business page on Instagram, and then also WhatsApp business. So yeah, don't worry, I'm going to be leaving the link of every of my business page in the description box. So this is just actually my small business that I just started. I'm so excited, and these are just some little things I actually got from my business. So let's start unboxing what we got. I'll be starting with this one, with the things that are in this black nylon. So yeah, let's see what is inside this black nylon. Okay, this black nylon actually contains fragrance in it. This is one of the products that is there. This is the Baccarat fragrance. So yeah, if you know about this fragrance, this is one of the products that I actually got, that I sell, and I actually got this product in the yellow also. So I won't actually be showing you all like everything, but I just want you to know that I have this product, this Baccarat perfume in this color, and I also have this Baccarat perfume in this color. So yeah, this is one of the products I got from the market for my business, and this perfume is actually it's actually one of a very known and a popular perfume that people actually likes. If you've not tried out this perfume before, you should message me and and get this perfume and try it out. And this perfume are actually not expensive. I sell this perfume for 2,000 naira. One of them is sold for 2k, and then the other one is actually sold for 2k. So yeah, this is one thing I got for my business. And then another one again is this is the Touch perfume oil. So many people knows about this perfume oil, and I actually got this perfume oil in different colors. Apart from this green color, I have this perfume oil in red. I also have this perfume oil in this yellow color, and then I also have this perfume oil in the pink color. So yeah, I have a lot of this the colors, different colors of this perfume oil. And then another thing again I got was this Imperial Lola body splash. Yes, this product over here, I've actually made use of this before, and I really love the smell of this. So I was like, why not I buy this product to sell? So yeah, this product is actually a very nice. It actually has a very nice fragrance in it, like the fragrance of this body splash, and it's actually something that you like spray on your body. So yeah, and another thing again about this thing is that this fragrance actually lasts, though it doesn't really last for a very long time, but yeah, it actually lasts. Sorry, I forgot to tell you all the price at which I sell this Touch perfume oil. I actually sell this Touch perfume oil for 600 naira, and then this one goes for 700 naira. And also, apart from this Lola own, I also got the same Imperial, but this one is Imperial Lola. Then this one is Imperial Platinum Man Black Sky Body Splash. So yeah, this one is one in black color, and this one also has a very nice fragrance. And yeah, and I also got this same body splash in this one. Then this one is the Imperial Fantastic Body Splash. So these are the three varieties of this product I actually got, and every of them goes for 700 naira. And then another fragrance I actually got, another perfume I actually got, is this Capless Forever Yours fragrance. I have actually made use of this perfume before, and I really love this perfume. So yeah, this is the Capless perfume that I also got that I actually sell, and then this one actually retails for 2,100 naira. And this perfume also has a body wash in it. So apart from the fact that it has a perfume in it, it also has a body wash in it. Let me just show you all the body wash, what it actually looks like. Okay, so this is the body wash that is found in it. Just this little fashion body wash. So this is the body wash that is actually found in this perfume, and then this is the perfume itself. This is what the perfume itself looks like. This is the Caprice Forever Yours perfume, and then this is 100 ml. Yeah, so that's the size of this perfume, and it retails for 2,100 naira in my shop. So if you need this product, if you need any of this fragrance, or maybe you even have any other fragrance that maybe I didn't show you, you can always feel free to send me pictures of any fragrance and I will get it for you. So these are just some of the fragrance that I actually got from the market. Now you might be wondering, you actually have, what are the things that you actually sell in your business? Now the name of my business is Addis Shop, and in Addis Shop what we sell is, we sell skincare products and beauty related products, other beauty related products which has to do with fragrance, like I've shown you all, lip care products, that is lip gloss, lip scrub, lipstick, even makeup products. We also sell hair care products in our shop, and then anything that just has to do with beauty products, apart from fashion product, because currently we do not sell fashion wears, we don't sell clothes, we do not sell jewelries, we don't sell bags, we don't sell shoes, we don't sell hair, we don't sell attachments. But any other hair product like hair conditioner, hair dye, all those kind of other hair products, we actually sell them. Now another thing again I bought for my business is this Kiss lip gloss. This Kiss lip gloss, and this is one of my favorites. Yeah, this is a full pack of this product, and then I bought a separate one for myself. So this is the separate one I bought for myself. Now I really love this lip gloss. Like when I went to the market, I was like trying to look for lip gloss that I can actually buy that is actually very nice, and when I saw this one I was like, wow, this lip gloss actually makes the lips turn red. This lip gloss is actually like, it doesn't make your lips to like when you rub this lip gloss, your lips is actually going to feel moisturized. Let me just show you what I am talking about. So I'll just be applying this lip gloss on my lips now. So this is just what the lip gloss actually looks like. Actually this lip gloss actually comes in different design. So apart from this design, this lip gloss also has different design. So but it actually functions the same way. It's still the same way it actually functions. So let me just rub this on my lips. As you can see, my lips now, my lips is not looking red. This is just the way my natural lips is looking. Nothing is on my lips, and then I'll just be applying this lip gloss right on my lips. So as you can see right now, the lip gloss is still looking, it's beginning to turn red. Apply it on the up lips. As you can see guys, the one on the down lips is already showing red. Can you guys see? Like I just finished applying this lip gloss on my lips, and can you see that this lip gloss has completely turned red on my lips? And another wonderful thing again is that this redness that is actually found on my lips, it actually lasts. That is, it's not something that before you know it will wash out, it will go out from your lips. No, it actually stays for a period of time, though I will not stay for the whole day, but yeah, it actually stays for a period of time actually. And you guys can actually see, like you can actually see how this lip gloss is actually looking on my lips, and also you can see how shiny my lips is looking. Can you guys see how shiny my lips is looking? I'm so in love with this lip gloss. I am very, very well in love with this lip gloss. And again, is that this lip gloss is actually not expensive. This lip gloss actually retails for 1,000 naira. There are some people that sells this type of lip gloss for 1,500. That is, if you bought this type of lip gloss, you will understand what I'm talking about. There are people that actually sell this lip gloss for 1,500 naira, but I sell my own just at the rate of 1,000 naira. And this lip gloss, as you can see, the way my lips is looking red, my lips is looking shiny, and this lip gloss also moisturize the lips. Like your lips will be feeling very, very, very well moisturized. So can you see the natural, the natural redness and the benefits of this lip gloss on my lips? So yeah, if you need this lip gloss, you just have to send us a DM on WhatsApp, or you can send us a DM on Instagram to place an order. This lip gloss retails for 1,000 naira. Now, apart from lip gloss and fragrance, other things I actually got other products, but let me just be showing you all. These are packaging materials, that is to package my business. I just started this business, of course, so yeah, this business is not like up to a year, so these are as starting up. So these are just some of the packaging materials I got. So this is one of the nylon that I can use to package my goods. Let me just show you, like this nylon. Now I can use, if you order a lip gloss, now I will just use this nylon to like package the lip gloss. So this is what the nylon actually looks like. Let's say you ordered a lip gloss, I will just place this lip gloss into this nylon like this, and then this thing has a seal. I will remove this out, and then I will seal it, and then I will now put it in another nylon and then send it to you. So yeah, this is one of the things I got for my product packaging. And then another thing again I got for my product packaging is this really cute small bag. It just says thank you, please come again. Yeah, I just love this bag. The reason why I went for this bag is because of the pink color. So yeah, the color or the theme color of my business is, we have 3 theme color. The first one is yellow. Why did I pick yellow? Because I really like yellow, is my favorite color, and I love yellow a lot. Now the second theme color is pink. Now why do I pick pink color? Is because most girls really love pink. Pink shows more of like feminine, pink is soft and everything. Yeah, so that's the reason why we pick pink as another of our theme color for our business. And then the third one is purple, which is another color that is loved by both guys and ladies. Even yellow is also loved by both guys and ladies. So purple is also another very radiant color that, yes, it's actually very lovely. So yeah, that's the reason why I went for this pink thank you, please come again color. Hope you love it, guys. Hope you love it, because I actually love it. And then another thing again I bought, another packaging material I bought is this is just like a stick note. That is when an order is placed. On this stick note, I'm just going to write the customer's name, address, important information about the customer, so that I can send this item for delivery. And then other things I bought, I also got this bigger nylon. This one is for like bigger packages. So this other one is for small packages, then this other one is for bigger packages. I was unable to find pink color, yellow color, or purple color, so I just decided to go for this color. So yeah, this color is also a nice color that I got. And then another thing again I got was, I got a marker. Yeah, that's for writing on this stick note. I got these 2 markers, that's to write on this stick note. You don't know what markers are used for, so I don't need to talk much about that. Guys, can you still see the way this lip gloss still feels on my lips? Like, can you see the way my lips is still feeling red? I don't know what you're waiting for. You all should place your order for this lip gloss. Like, and even if you have a dark lips, it's not even, you might be wondering, okay, it's because she has a fair lips, that's why the thing is looking red. No, my dear, my love, this lip gloss will actually still look red on your lips, even if you have a dark lips. Because I actually have a friend that has a dark lips that actually makes use of this lip gloss. So another thing again I got was this stapler. Is just like, you know, when I pack in any orders, I'll just staple it so that the orders will not you know, drop out from the packaging nylon. And then I got a scissors for my business, you know, to cut stuff instead of making use of blade, because scissors is very, very important. So yeah, I got a scissors, and then I got a Tipex for correction. You all know what Tipex is actually for. It's just for correction. And then I got rubber band, and then I also got seal tape. So these are just some of the packaging materials I got for my business. And don't worry, I will still get some more beautiful, you know, packaging, because when I went to buy all these ones, I actually could not get all those plenty beautiful packaging, and time was actually not on my side again. I just had to like get this one for a start. So guys, please patronize my business. Please guys, patronize my business. So these are just some of the packaging materials I got. And then the other thing I also got were some skincare products. These are some other things I also got in for my business. So I'm actually not going to be unboxing these skincare products here, because this video is becoming to look lengthy. I don't want it to be very, very lengthy. So we'll just be ending the video here. So I'll be filming another video where I'll be unboxing some of the products, two skincare products I actually got from the market, and these skincare products I sell them in my shop. So I'll leave the link to our Instagram page, TikTok page, YouTube, and also WhatsApp to place an order. So guys, I hope you really enjoyed this video, and please, 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 not forget to patronize my business. And can you see my lips is still shiny, and it is still looking red. That is from this lip gloss over here. I actually still got another one for myself, because because of the love I have for this lip gloss, I actually cannot go with just one. I bought two separate ones for myself. As you can see that this one has a different design on the head, while this one also has a different design on the head. So yeah, these two actually still leaves the lip looking colored. Let me just show you what I'm trying to talk about. I'll put this one on my lips now. So let me just clean off this one on my lips right now, and then apply this one on my lips. That's to show you that every of them actually makes the lips looking red. So yeah, I've actually cleaned my lips. Now let me now apply this other one. You know, this was one I actually applied the first time, and then this is the other one I actually still got for myself. Let me now apply this one. Guys, can you see the way this thing is still, how my lips is already turning red, and my lips is looking shiny? Can you see the difference? My down lips and then my up lips. Can you see the difference, guys? So guys, I've actually applied this on my lips, and can you see how red my lips is looking? It's just 1,000 naira, guys. Just 1,000 naira. Please come and patronize my business. Please guys, patronize my business. So that will be the all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please give this video a very big thumbs up, and then tell your friends to come and patronize my business. Okay, tell your friends to also come and patronize my business. So guys, I will see you all in my next video. Bye.